Invest in real estate in Puerto Vallarta. Puerto Vallarta is not only one of Mexico's most popular tourist destinations, it's also become a strategic hotspot for real estate investment. Its warm climate, welcoming atmosphere, and strong tourism-driven economy are attracting more and more foreign buyers. Investing in Puerto Vallarta offers several advantages: affordable prices that appreciate over time, high rental returns thanks to a steady flow of tourists, and the opportunity to enjoy your property whenever you like while it generates income the rest of the year. There's a wide range of options. You can find homes starting at $250,000 in quiet neighborhoods, all the way up to beachfront villas exceeding $9 million. Condominiums are another great alternative, averaging around $450,000, with most offering amenities like pools, gyms, game rooms, barbecue areas, meeting rooms, and stunning views. There are also apartments available for nightly rentals starting at $40. Commercial spaces for sale from $185,000 or for rent at $500 per month, and even resorts and hotels for those seeking larger scale investments. The most sought after areas include Conchas Chinas, known as the Beverly Hills of Vallarta, Armpass with its peaceful vibe and panoramic views, and the Romantic Zone or downtown, which is full of life and ideal for vacation rentals. If you're a foreigner, buying property is absolutely possible thanks to the bank trust system, which grants you the same rights as a Mexican citizen in restricted zones. All you need is the trust, your contract, and the deed to secure your investment. The market is booming. The population is also growing, and tourism, especially from November to April, keeps rental demand at its peak. Whether you choose a condo for its practicality or a house for its long-term value, investing in Puerto Vallarta is a smart decision. It's a safe, attractive destination with opportunities for every budget. If you're ready to take the next step, reach out to experts like MexLife and start your investment journey with confidence.